Hey, what's up, Mirza? So those other two videos should show you how to log in. This video is specifically for you. So this is the QR code that I believe you said that you were using, and I just want to show you how it works. And you'll have a better understanding of how you want to proceed. So this is the QR code, the green one, and we can change the design and it won't affect anything. We can also change the website and it won't affect anything. It's called a dynamic QR code. They're special. They're not regular QR codes. Um, so when you scan this, it will take you here. So I'm not sure if someone said it takes you to Roger Cruz Marketing, but RogerCruzMarketing.com is my website, but it's a marketing website. So how these domains work is when you buy one, you can build like kind of subdomains or what they're called, and you can build other websites using these similar subdomains that you also own. So since I own Roger Cruz Marketing, I usually make a subdomain for any client when we haven't purchased a website yet. So that's why it says um, Roger Cruz Marketing here. But if we were to actually look at it, we'll see that it says / then APoultry quail eggs benefits. And it's just like a placeholder for now until we replace this name. But the information that you would get when scanning it would be the information specifically about the quail eggs. Um, since it's for a cell phone, it looks different than this, but it came out very nice, I think. So this is what it looks like on an iPhone. And then they can see all the benefits. They're all numbered. And when you click it is when they flip. So I already clicked this one in this example, but see, so that's actually what they would see first. Then they'd go down, shows the difference between quail eggs and chicken eggs. Then you could flip it and learn more. If you get the website domain on GoDaddy, um, then we can switch the name on the top and it could do the same information. It's only $11.99 right now to get Quail Eggs Orlando for 1 year. And in the other video, I walked through how to buy it. And if you want to buy 1 or 2 years, you could look at that. I think this would probably make a lot of sense to buy if you were going to buy one for this promotion. It's cheap and it's what someone would probably type in Google. You know, if they were looking to buy quail eggs, I would type in Quail Eggs Orlando to look for some. So since this is available, I would say this is a valuable domain for you to get, especially since you're producing them yourself. Um, so let me know what you think. Like I said, it's only $12. Go into GoDaddy. I also made a video on how to create an account. So if you need to watch that video, I'll also leave it in the email. Um, and you can create the account and buy it. If you don't want to do any of that, like, oh, I don't want to do any of that stuff, just let me know. I'll buy it and I'll bill you for it. And I can just put it under what I have, what's called a GoDaddy Pro account. In my account, I can basically manage other accounts as a GoDaddy Pro member. So I have this little special link in mind. And what it does is it makes me like a certified GoDaddy specialist to help people with doing things like buying domains or editing their websites or all these other things. So if you need some help, the video on delegate access will also start to help us with this process as well. And we can take it from there. And we can move the website I built you to your GoDaddy account. And that way you can own it and you can manage it and you can have full control over it. But I can have access to it without having to log in as you. I could log in as myself and my business and manage it just right through GoDaddy. So it makes it super easy and efficient to use. Let me know if you have any questions. The first step would just be going on there and buying the account. And then the delegate access video is literally 2 clicks. So all you have to do is click the delegate access and type my email and name in, and you can give me access to help you easily. Give me 1 second. It's the wrong one. There we go. So like I was saying, when you click that link, this is what they see on their phone. Looks really good. QR codes are always scanned with phones. So this just takes them directly to that page we saw before with the flip boxes. They could click this easy back button and they could leave you information if they have any questions. This could just go right to your email. They can use this to easily find the store or share this with their friends. Or where'd you get the quail eggs? They could send the link. So the link is definitely important. Right now, it just says Roger Cruz Marketing up here, but it's its own separate domain and website. You'd have to come up here and edit out this other stuff to get to my website. Like you'd have to go up here and manipulate that. It's not going to take them to this website by accident or anything like that. That's not going to happen. And we can fix that tonight. So if you just want to let me know, like I said, I can buy it and just add it to your bill, or you can buy it and give me delegate access and I can set it up through GoDaddy. Either way, or I can buy it and then we can set it up. That's probably the easiest. I also made this. I thought these were pretty cool. I found that you had a 3D egg online, so I remade the logo and I put it on a 3D quail egg. This one has the bottom of the quail egg shadow. This one does not have a shadow. And then this one here has just a sticker or whatever. But yeah, so I'll send these to you too so you could take a look at them. And then that's it. All right, man. Call me if you need any help. All right. Thank you.